Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Are you tired of takeaways but are short on time? Imagine a healthy and delicious dinner on your table in minutes. Today's recipe is sauteed cabbage and carrots. I start by sauteing the onions. Once they start browning, I add the tomatoes and saute the two until the tomatoes break down. To quicken this process, I add a little water and cook this covered for 2 to 3 minutes. I now add the cabbage and cover for a minute or two for the steam to soften the cabbage. I now add turmeric powder, curry powder and vegeta, mix to combine and cover for 2 minutes. At this point, in goes the carrots. I let this cook for 2 more minutes. I adjust salt to taste and our cabbage is ready. It's perfect for lunch or busy weeknights and it can be served as a side or main dish. If served as a main, it can be paired with asida, rice, chapati or bread rolls. I hope you try this recipe and enjoy it as much as my family does. Subscribe for tasty recipes and more videos of this nature. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, comment down below and share this video. Your support goes a long way. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.